Sup, it's Sydney. This is not where I normally film, but here's the story. All of this stuff, most of which you can't even see, was in my basement, and I started carrying it up to my room, and I just didn't make it all the way. If you really thought I was gonna carry all of that up 2 flights of stairs, you are very mistaken, because I maxed out at like 5 minutes on the Stairmaster. I'm going to be a freshman in college starting in the fall, which means in like a week. I'm not okay. I'm actually staying in a suite style room, which means whenever you open the door from the hallway, there's a little lobby area, a bathroom, and then 2 rooms. So I'm gonna be staying in one of the rooms with 1 other person. My color scheme is dark green and white, but I'm not really much of an interior designer, so we'll see how it actually looks. Actually picked out this bedding, and then she brought it home and she was like, is this fine or do you want to look yourself? And I was like, that's good, dog. It's from HomeGoods, but the actual brand is Cynthia Rowley, and my mom said that it was originally $70, but then the HomeGoods price was $49.99, but then she got it on sale. So she really just went off. Getting like 1 item on sale makes me feel really good, because I'm pretty sure I had to give up my kidney to buy all this dorm stuff, so. I know you can't really see it super well, but it's textured. It comes with the actual comforter and then a matching pillowcase. I guess it's called a sham, but that sounds really bougie, and do I look like I'm bougie? Originally, I didn't want a white comforter because I eat Doritos in bed, and that's just not really a great combination. But my mom said that these things were really easy to clean even though they are white, so I'm kind of counting on her for that one. I feel like having a plain white comforter is super generic, but I couldn't find a green comforter that wasn't $5 million anywhere, so we settled. And I settle in a lot of aspects of life, so I mean, it's really nothing new. From our college dorm shopping homegirl Bed Bath & Beyond, I got this mattress protector. And if you watched my college dorm shopping vlog, you would see me get this. Not to plug my video or anything, but like, mattress protectors are dumb expensive, and this one actually cost more than my comforter set, and it was like one of the cheaper ones, so I'm not really happy about that. My conspiracy theory is that their marketing team knows that everyone's a wimp and hates bugs, so they put scary stuff like this on the front. And then you're like, oh shoot, I actually really need this. I got this really soft fuzzy throw blanket from Target. They're so cozy, and this is an absolute necessity for me because I'm a freak and I don't use my sheets or my comforter. I sleep on top of them, so I need a blanket. I have these 2 pillow inserts. There isn't much to say other than the fact that they're from Bed Bath & Beyond. As for my decorative pillow situation, I have these 2 velvety dark green pillows from Overstock. You would not believe the time that I committed to finding dark green throw pillows. It was honestly hours of online shopping, going to different stores, literally just nowhere had any. So when I found these, I ordered them in about 4.5 seconds. We do have a bit of a problem because I wanted them to match the throw blanket, and as you can see, they are completely different colors. So we might have to do something about that. We might just give up and not care. It's impossible to tell at this point. The stupid fuzz in my hair. I'm so sorry, I know it's so distracting, and I honestly considered filming this entire video again because of it, but that's a little bit ridiculous. And also, we can't let the fuzz win like that, okay? I also want to get a white lumbar pillow to kind of balance out the look, but I haven't found one that I liked yet, and also I have a bit of a surplus of pillows. Therapeutic 2-inch memory foam mattress topper. It's super thick, like the best kind of thick. Like the kind of thick that'll save your spine from pain. Full disclosure, this was pretty pricey. I think it ended up being like $90. But my justification was that in every YouTube video I watched, everyone was like, if you're gonna splurge on something, make it your mattress topper. I got 2 sets of dark gray sheets from Bed Bath & Beyond. They're twin extra long. I didn't need anything fancy when it came to sheets, but I did get 2 sets because most people recommended it so that you would have to do laundry less often, and I'm all about that lazy, leisurely lifestyle. Did you hear that alliteration? Wow, I didn't even try for that. For a little decoration, I have this bowl. It's dark green, so it matches the whole theme of the room, and it's got some little speckles on it and stuff, but the coolest part of this bowl is that my friend Kelsey made it for me. So if you want it, it's kind of personalized, a little custom, one of a kind, made with the finest craftsmanship in ceramics class in school. So I mean, not trying to brag, but back to Bed Bath & Beyond, because this video is all over the place. I got a set of 2 Turbie Twists. 2 years ago, my friend Taylor introduced me to these, and it was because I made fun of her because she sent me a Snapchat with it on, and I was like,
what are you wearing on your head?
Oh, how the tables have turned. Apparently I purchased this power strip. I have no recollection of buying this, but I needed one, so I guess that's good. In case you're wondering what's in this big red box, I got 4 of these navy blue towels from Macy's, and I actually got these as a graduation gift from someone. They're Penn State colors, so that's pretty on brand also. I picked up this desk lamp from HomeGoods. Everyone needs a desk lamp because when you're up at 4 a.m. doing something and your roommate's trying to sleep, at least you only have a little light to bother them with instead of all the lights. I'm just so considerate like that. These beautiful fake little succulents are from TJ Maxx, and I feel like they just go with the whole leafy vibe of my room. I haven't really explained that. I got a bunch of these leaves from Michael's, and my plan is to make some wall decor out of it. That's gonna kind of be the main focal point of my room, if I can pull it off, which is unlikely. Another HomeGoods snag was this mirror, and it's just silver. Plus it lights up, which is really nice because I feel like the dorm lighting situation just sucks. So when I'm trying to do my makeup, at least I'll be able to, you know, see. I got a 4-pack of Clorox disinfecting wipes, and they say they kill 99% of germs, but we all know everyone is still gonna get sick in college because everyone in college is disgusting. I got this print from Target, and also wooden slats that have like twine so you can kind of hang it up. Kind of random, but I picked up 2 mason jars from Michael's. They were like $1 each. The whole mason jar thing is kind of just an aesthetic, so you can throw in random stuff in there and then call it decor because it's a mason jar. This beautiful white 3-tiered cart was actually a graduation present from one of my neighbors, so shout out to you guys.
Hello?
The items that I'm storing on here are undecided, but it has wheels, so that's pretty sick, just saying. This Chica is my laundry hamper, and she is from HomeGoods. Very spacious, lots of room to put disgusting clothes in when I'm too lazy to do my laundry. For a while, I couldn't find a trash can that wasn't ridiculously priced. Like, ones that looked like this were all over $20, as if I would drop $20 on a trash can that looks like this. I mean, my trash goes in it. This was like $7, so it was fine. The only thing I got from Kohl's was this little picture display. It's kind of rustic and wooden looking, and I can put 3 pictures on it so I can reminisce good times and get homesick and sad. Yay. My roommates and I were very close, and by very close I mean haven't spoken. And since we share 2 spaces, I was getting a little bit concerned because I had no idea if anyone was bringing anything. I caved and bought this bath mat from Target. It's really soft because it's memory foam, and it's gray, and I have no idea if it's gonna get used, but I got this amazing bowl from Target. It's gray, plastic, and I plan on eating a lot of ramen out of it. This next bag or 2 is all essentials that no one cares about. They're all from Target, and I'm just gonna fly through them real quick. A set of paper towels, Tide Pods, thank God that meme is over, tissues, dryer sheets, and toothpaste.
Whoa.
I have some more of that type stuff in my basement, just kind of like extra toiletries and stuff, but I didn't feel like bringing it up because I feel like genuinely no one cares that I have gallon-sized bags and like 3 extra bottles of contact solution. that doesn't make for riveting content, I don't think. I mean, none of the content I make is riveting, but we're just gonna continue. I got 2 sets of 25 felt hangers because they just have the best grip, I feel like, and they also save more space than the plastic ones, I think. This little 3-drawer storage container is from TJ Maxx. I don't plan on bringing a lot of makeup to college, and I don't wear that much anyways, so it's all gonna fit in here pretty easily, and I might even be able to use some of the drawers for something else. The last thing I have to show you guys is this full-length mirror. This one's from Walmart. I just gotta have a full-length mirror so I can check out my mediocre outfits. That's everything I have for you guys right now. I'm probably forgetting a lot of stuff, but that's a problem for later. Hopefully this lived up to your expectations. If it didn't, this should be a lesson to you that you shouldn't expect anything from me. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also be on the lookout for more college videos because I still have a few planned. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter in case you want to keep up with my life. Bye! I don't know.